Alright, hey guys! This is my first time voicing over the video, so bear with me. I'm probably going to be awkward and mess it up a bunch, but I've been painting like crazy today. Just wanted to walk you guys through this one. So I'm actually using leftover paint from a previous pour, and it's kind of got this like purpley, pink, grayish color, kind of mauve. And I'm going to use that as the base for this one, and we're going to do a ring pour. And that's basically where I have all these colors in a cup. Just kind of gently pour down the side so they don't mix together kind of thing. And then I'll do like a literal ring with them like in my last video, if I've uploaded that one. Sorry, I literally have 3 paintings drying all around me right now. So anyways, let's just get started with this. I'm gonna go in, pour some of that in the middle, and just along the edges, just to make sure that you get that full coverage on the edges. I mean, if you don't want to, you can go ahead and paint your canvas white first. But I'm just trying to use up some of my leftover paint, honestly, because ring pours will usually take up a good part of the canvas. Alright. And then I'm just gonna pick that up and just kind of swirl it all around to make sure that it is ready to go. And then one thing I will do sometimes too, just to make sure, because I hate when I'm painting and I get this design, everything that I want, and then, oh, this corner's not covered kind of thing, and I have to go and basically ruin my painting. So I'm literally you can take a paintbrush, whatever you got on you, but I'm taking a popsicle stick and I'm just gonna go around those little edges really quick. And yeah, I refuse to buy those stupid paint stands, guys, because they are like $20, maybe $15 if you're lucky. And everyone online says that they are just terrible, it's not worth it. So yes, I am using little Gatorade caps as my paint stands today. But, alright guys, and then I've mixed this with just paint, water, floetrol. So let's give it a go. Start in the middle and just slowly kind of start making my rings. And I want them to be as uniform as possible. Boom. Awesome. All right, so we got some beautiful, you can probably see in there all those little rings. And now all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tilt it, see where it goes. This is one where you kind of let the painting do the job. But you see what I mean on that full coverage, guys? Like, I don't have to go in and ruin my design because I didn't have enough paint on the edges. Now I for sure do, and I can kind of be in control more of, I want this to go to this corner, or I'd rather have it go to this corner. And honestly, I'm loving this, so I'm gonna try and keep these rings as much as possible. I think I'll have my eye be right about there, actually. Just kind of make sure some of this paint isn't falling too much now. And I'm sorry if you guys can't see the angle, but you do not want to leave too much paint on here, guys, because I have learned the hard way that you aren't gonna have a pretty painting if you do that. So you kind of have to just let it do its own thing in abstract art like this. Alright, and here I go with, I'm gonna finger paint a little bit. Because again, I'm just getting these sides, making sure everything is filled in. Ooh, I definitely just felt some paint hit my foot. Ooh, I'm not gonna be happy about that. But then all I'm gonna do is just gonna torch it. Just to make sure there's no air bubbles, and sometimes in these paintings it'll bring out a lot more of these little cells too, so it's worth it to torch them. Alright, and I think I'm done on that one, guys. Let me show ya. Isn't that so cool? Like, OMG. So yeah, that is a traditional ring pour, guys. Ooh, just looks like a little galaxy right there. But yeah, guys, if you want to paint, do it. I highly recommend it. This is so therapeutic. Like, seriously, there's another one I did. There's another one I did. There's another one I did. I love this so much, guys. So if you want to do this, do it. Like, seriously, I'm doing this in my kitchen right now. Like, I don't have space, but I love it so much that I'm doing it. So thank you for those who support me in doing it too. I hope you have a good rest of your day. And get painting if you want to.